Well, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you're listening to this session on key issues in respect of listed buildings. What I'm going to cover is the following items. Essentially, what does listed mean? And I'll clarify that in the light of a recent court case, which, as I say, is at the bottom there, but essentially, what exactly does listed mean? And then a brief overview of the categories of listing. I think we're probably all familiar with it, but it feeds into some of the things I'm going to say a bit later on. And then a run through of the limitations imposed on listed building owners, and there may be some issues in there that you probably wouldn't necessarily think about including in your report to clients, but given that clients blame us for anything which happens to them in the rest of their lives after they've set foot in our offices, there may be some merit in thinking about including some of these items I'm going to mention within your reports. And then an overview of what does and does not require listed building consent, with a few practical examples. And then a look at what exactly is a building. Well, to be listed, it has to be a building. You will be surprised to realise, or if you don't already, to realise exactly what the Historic England classify as a building, and therefore capable of being listed. And this was challenged in the Supreme Court recently, and I'll run through some of the implications of that. I'm not sure that's going to impact on day-to-day conveyancing to a massive extent, but it's something which I think people need to at least be alive to.